Do you believe in the impossible? What if I said that it's much more than real? So close that you can touch it and change your life forever. The only thing standing between you now and future you is a moment. Will it be short as a second, long as a mountain road, or even bigger? You won't know unless you go there and seize it. So take a seat and breathe it all in. Dance it all out. Take that scary road, and then take some more until you are on the other side, where there's nothing but you and that moment. It is yours. It is now. There, you bid the impossible.